What is up, KamFam? How are you guys doing? Welcome to Royal Fitment's 5th anniversary event. And today, like I was mentioning in some clips on Instagram when I was promoting this event, we got some two-step competition going on, limbo, trophy and awards, and we are super excited to put this on. I'm excited to film the event for YouTube and be the judge for people's car shows, or for people's cars in the show, is what I was trying to say. We are about 40 minutes from starting. We are looking pretty good right now. We got some people here already. We're getting everybody's booth set up. I'm actually gonna be waiting for people to pull in so I can tell them where to park. So this is actually gonna be really, really dope. What's going on, KamFam? Pardon the interruption. If you guys are a big sneakerhead like me, do not skip this part of the video. Today, I'm excited to announce that I'm partnering up with Sold Up PDX to do an awesome giveaway. This giveaway contest will run for about a week, just to give everybody enough time that wants to enter, entered. What you need to be doing in order to enter is be following me on Instagram, be subscribed to the channel, and follow Sold Up PDX.
Hey guys, I'm Sold Up PDX on Instagram. I'm a sneaker reseller here in the Portland area, and I'm teaming up with Cam to do a giveaway for a pair of Yeezy slides. We have multiple colorways, perfect for summer. It's the most comfortable thing you'll ever put on your foot, I promise. For all your sneaker needs, follow me on Instagram at SoldUpPDX. Good luck, guys.
All right, you guys. Yeah, just like in the clip, like I said, you guys do have a chance to win a pair of free Yeezy slides in any color and size, whatever you desire. You guys are crooked. So all you got to do is comment your Instagram name down below, and that way whoever wins, I can reach out to you easier and DM you, and you know, that way it's just easier to reach out. So just whatever you got to do, share this video around or share this clip around, post it to your Instagram stories so that way everybody knows. We want a lot of people entering this. So I know that the Yeezy slides are a big deal right now. A lot of people love them. So that's why I partnered up with my buddy, and he had that great idea to give away a pair of Yeezy slides. So like I said, do whatever you can to get entered so you can win yourself a pair of Yeezy slides. Okay, we got 1,000 horsepower Subi here. Check this out. He's got all his stats right here. If you guys want to pause it and look at that, that is sick. But he is pushing 1,017 horsepower. That is crazy. Big spoolie boy too. Holy crap. Wonder if he trailered it here or if he actually drove it. That's insane. Then of course we got Mo that came in. He always shows up to every car event that you can think of, along with PDX Brandy. Hi Brandy.
Hey.
How's it going?
Good. Nice to meet you.
I see that, looking good.
Got a picture to show you.
So they just started playing music. I'm hoping that I don't get copyrighted. I think as long as I talk over the music, it should be fine. But if I pause for a minute and the music plays and YouTube catches it, I may get copyrighted on this video. So I'm hoping that's not the case. We'll try and make that work. That'll suck if I get copyrighted. Check out this wide body Corolla. I think it's a Corolla. I don't even know. Is it Corolla? That thing is sick. That is so sick. Sorry guys, I have to keep talking, but this thing is crazy. Talk about your car, man. What wide body kit do you have on it? Is it a custom?
It was made in Russia.
Oh wow, that is crazy.
There's no other place to make a kit for it, so they made a kit.
That's cool. And this is the newer Corolla, isn't it?
Yeah, this is 2015.
That is so cool. I love how that looks.
Thank you.
Yeah, definitely. Good looks, man.
Thank you.
Yeah. A slingshot out here. That's sick. I haven't seen this one before. This is crazy bright. It may look red on camera, but it's not. It's like a very vibrant reddish pink color. It's very crazy looking. That is so sick. I would love to go for a ride in one of these for a POV vlog. That would be super sick. I want to know how it feels without wearing a helmet. Maybe you have to wear a helmet on those. I don't know, but without the helmet, I feel like the wind would just suffocate you and you wouldn't be able to breathe. That's just insane. We just got a twin turbo R8 pulled in. Look at that. Let me go get a closer shot for you guys. That's sick. This out. Woo! I think it's sick, brother. Right? I think anywhere, dude. I think anywhere.
It's a bigger turnout than I thought it would.
What's that?
Bigger turnout than I thought it would.
I'm hoping it gets a little bit bigger, but we'll find out. We'll see.
I would have washed the car if I knew there was this many people.
Right? Dude. Yeah, just anywhere, I guess. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Check out those spoolie boys right on the booty. Damn. There's a thumbnail right there. That thing is incredible. I haven't seen him out before. I don't know if you guys can hear that exhaust. That's just insanely loud. So it looks like it may be a little bit of a smaller event than I was anticipating, but it's still dope to come out here and get some footage for you guys. So, and then tomorrow I'm hoping to lower my car and do the whole wheel reveal and the suspension reveal to you guys. So that'll be pretty dope. I'm hoping everything falls through to plan and I'll be able to get that done and film that for you guys, but we'll see. I was supposed to do it last weekend and have my dad help me, but he works night shifts and he got off super late and didn't want to do it. So that may be the case tomorrow as well, but he's not sure. I'm hoping that he'll get off at a decent time so he can help me and I can go out there and get that done and film it for you guys. So I didn't realize that the Audi R8 had bucket seats that are carbon. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at all that carbon. Those seats are just insane. Holy crap. Yeah, now that he's parked, I can show you guys the rear. God damn. You know when a car has a rear bumper delete with twin turb skis showing in the back, not to mess with them on the road, because they will gap that out of you. Then we got my boy Eddie.
About like Montana, right?
Yes, sir. Eddie's always out here selling the Hot Wheels, man. If you guys ever want some rare collection of Hot Wheels, Eddie's the one to go check out at any car event. He is the dope Hot Wheel guy, collector, and he can sell you guys anything and find anything. So be sure to hit him up. We got a super chick that made it out. Her car is looking good as always. Be sure to go check her out on Instagram. I'll pop her Instagram somewhere in this video for you guys. But her car is super sick. So this Toyota GR is super sick. He's pushing, I think he said 4 something to the wheels right now, and his goal is to put down like 500 something to the wheels. So he just got it tuned a couple days ago, I think is what he said. And if you guys look at his spoiler, you can see some sparkles, some blue sparkles that he put in his wing. That is super sick. That is nice looking. I love the GR so much. I love the body style, I love the body lines. I would love to have one, but they're just a little expensive for my pockets right now. Jesus, check out this Honda. He's pushing some ponies. That is insane. Okay, you guys, check out this Honda CRX. This thing is insane. Look at his throttle bodies. Look how big they are. You can fit almost your whole fist in there. Oh my God. This is crazy big. Wow. Now that's impressive. That is definitely impressive. I bet that thing feels like a go-kart when it takes off. The power to weight ratio is probably nothing. Flexing on us with the clear hood. That is crazy. I wonder if he only uses that for car shows. Some tells me that he does, like he doesn't drive it with the clear hood on. That is cool. And then we got Luna the Supra. Glad she made it out here. And this Subaru is insane. Look at the livery on it. That is cool. I love the color of the blue and the green or whatever the heck that color is. That is cool. Jeez. Yo, look at what popped up. Look at that. My old car. That is so cool. I didn't expect the Felipe to show up. Man, I miss my car so much. Wow. Wow, I didn't know you were gonna be here. He's still got my stickers on there. That's so funny. He's still got my Instagrams and YouTube stickers on there. That's so funny. Man, I did not expect Felipe to pull up with my old Genesis. I miss my car so much. Man, I wonder if he'd let me buy it back for a good deal. It's so cool. I find it so funny you have not taken my stickers off yet. That is hilarious. How you doing, bro? Good, man, good. Car still running good? Dope. That is so cool. All right, so Felipe is letting me start my old car again. Oh. Oh, yes. I forgot how good this thing was. If you guys don't remember what the inside looked like, I had custom carbon pieces made for my center console. And then David from Hellistance actually gave me a carbon shift knob. And then I had underglow put on. Does the underglow still work? That's so sick. Yeah. Man, I miss this car so much. So check out this Toyota Alteza, or Alteza. I don't know how it's pronounced. How is it pronounced? Alteza? Yeah. Felipe says it's Alteza, but look at this. This thing is crazy gorgeous. Look at that camber on it too. So Felipe was saying that this is imported, right? Because it's right-hand drive?
Yeah.
That's
this is
crazy.
what's equivalent to a Lexus IS300 here in the States.
That's crazy. Yeah, look at the Lambo doors. That is cool.
Look, the clutch looks exactly the same like the IS300. It looks like it's all the...
Really? Wow. That's so cool. This thing is slammed to its nuts too. Go check out his Instagram, Trey Henson.
Blast pipes, dude.
Blast pipes, holy crap.
Nice clears, dude.
Yeah. Yeah, the reason why I thought it was Lexus, because Lexus has the same style trunk where they have the lights on the back. That's cool. Here's a good example. So this is an actual IS300, just like the other one I just showed you guys, but this one's a Lexus, so it almost looks the exact same. But they also have an Alteza badge on the front grille. So look at this, an Alteza badge. So this one and that blue one down there at the very end are the exact same cars, just from one's from Japan and one's from America, right? Yeah. That is so cool. All right, check out this BMW 3 Series. I'm pretty sure. What?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
We don't know if this is a 3 Series or what, but this thing is wide bodied. It's a custom molded on wide body. That is super cool. I think he was out at Waste of Space maybe at one of the meets. I'm not sure exactly, but I love the color. So apparently I'm being part of a meeting before the judging, because I'm judging people's cars. I've never done this before, so this will be kind of fun. And here's all the plaques that you guys get the winners get. So that's kind of cool. Again, I got to talk over the music so that I don't get copyrighted, but yeah, so I'm going to be part of the judging, and that's going to be going on like 20 minutes, so I won't be able to film that. I'm going to be busy writing and everything, but I do plan on filming the two-step competition that's going to take place in about another 40 minutes. So it's going to be the judging, then the two-step, and then I probably got to dip out of here because I have plans back at home. So I do want to get the two-step competition for you guys, because I know all you guys want to see that. That's really why I came down here too, is because not a lot of places you're allowed to rent your car, but we got permission from the college that we are allowed to do it. So that's kind of dope. So I know you guys want to see that. What's going on, KamFam? How you guys doing? So the last clip you guys saw was me saying that I was about to do the judging, and after that I just did not get to film at all because I was so busy doing the judging and having the meetings with Bob, who is in charge of Royal Fitment, and David, who is in charge of Chasing Legends, and I just didn't get to film after that. It was so chaotic and busy. I've never done anything before like that. I haven't done anything like that before. I didn't know what all had to be done and everything like that. So I just didn't get a chance to pick up the camera. I was really wanting to do the two-step competition, but that happened at like 5 o'clock, an hour before the whole event was supposed to be over. And I didn't get to stay the whole entire time because I had to come back home, get some stuff done around the house, spend time with the fam. So I put a poll up on Instagram asking you guys if you still wanted me to put out a video with the clips that I had. A lot of you guys are saying yes. So with that being said, I'm going to try and put this all together. And Like I said, unfortunately, I didn't get the two-step competition in like I was hoping, but you know what? It is what it is. At least this is just some content for you guys to enjoy, and hopefully you still like it. So with that being said, I will catch you guys in the next video. So peace.